As winter casts its frosty spell on the Changbai Mountain in China's Jilin, high-speed railway has brought new vitality to the ice and snow economy in the region.
今天很幸运能够能看天池，去之后感觉非常震撼，这一趟非常值得。
The first high-speed railway linked to the Changbai Mountain was launched 2 years ago. In 2023, the travel time from Changbai Mountain to Beijing was further reduced by 40 minutes to a little more than 6 hours.
进入冬季以来，来长白山的游客增多，我们为滑雪团队提供预约购票和进站服务。对于携带大型滑雪板的旅客，车上开设了专门通道。
长白山的游客相比较往年增幅50%左右，大部分是乘坐高铁来体验长白山冰雪旅游的。同时，我们在长白山的高铁站为乘坐高铁的游客设立了免费接送站的旅游专线。